All right, these side cover fasteners used on BSAs are quarter turn. They refer to them as ODI, ODIE, I think it is, clips or ODI pins. Aircraft use something very similar. They're called Dzus fasteners, spelled D-Z-U-S. The aircraft style actually go in and wrap around a pin and lock themselves in really, really strong. For aircraft panels, they want them not to pop out. These just go into a metal catcher and the pin goes in and gets caught like so. Spring clip. Now, taking them out's easy. Taking them off, quarter turn, and they pop right off. That's both good and bad. Now, the fun part is doing it on video, where it will naturally refuse to release. So I put these in yesterday. There, okay. So as you can see, there's a little cutaway in here. I'll see if I'm getting this in the there. On that one, and on this one, I'm trying this. There we go. Focus in, focus in. Focus, focus, focus. There, that's better. You can see the cutaway. And it goes into these clips here, like so, and just gets caught. So taking it off is easy. Putting it on is, the only thing you don't want to do when you put it on is use a screwdriver. Because if you're pushing this thing with a screwdriver, it's real easy to go zip and have a beautiful vertical scratch right there, because you'll slip. So what you do is you line up it goes into the goes and this one up here you line up vertical so that it's lined up with that. Put them in das holes and just push it in like so, and it snaps into place. You don't need to use a screwdriver, because like I say, if you're trying to do this with a screwdriver, you will go right up here and end up with a real nice scratch. That's all, just technique. Installing them, I should show you that. Let's see if it comes off easier this time. It did. Wonderful. When you install these things, they come with rubber grommets. Let's see if I got focus here. And I'm over here. Okay. You have to cut these rubber grommets to the right size to fit the clip, because that's what gives you the anti-vibration, locking it in place type situation. And they take different lengths. If I can get in here, you can see this one took a full clip, a full rubber, and a partial just to install it. And you do that by feel and fondle until you get it right. Okay? So once again, I'm going to line these up with the inside receptacle. This one is at an angle like so. And this one is at a vertical. So I'll line that up vertical. And let's put it together. And they're in. No screwdriver needed. So that's all. Once I get the half clip, I'll put this bike together and we'll do a test ride. That's all for this morning.